Muhatikano munene no uthiete na mbere thiini wa mathukuru matiganite ma secondary kurumirira kuoyanwo kwa arutwo a form 1 kuria kwambiriirie kiumia kihituku. Imwe cia itumi iria cikoretwo cigikuirwo cirehete mihatikano ino ni ikinya ria thirikari ria gutigirira arutwo othe aria mekire kigeranio gia KCPE mwaka muhituku ni makorwo makiheo kanya ga guthie na mbere na githomo kiao gia secondary na kuona mathukuru matiararamirio undu uyu ugakorwo na morito maingi muno. Umwe wa mathukuru maria mari na muhatikano munene ni thukuru wa Kangaroo School na uria uri thiini wa kaunti ya Embu, uria ginyagia riu woete ciana 400 maigire cia kirathi gia form 1 andu ha ciana 387 iria ciari na marua ma guthie thukuru uyu, undu uria mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu wa Mbuguki Media ugite umatigite matari na irathi cia kuigana.
Currently, by yesterday, we had 402 form 1 students, and that is a very it's a big number. So, as per the government admission lists, we had 387, but currently we have 402 who have already reported.
Wambugu ugite nyingi cia nyumba iria thukuru uyu urahuthira ta irathi laboratory na ginyagia gwatoro ciakitwo mwaka-ini wa 1947 hindi ria thukuru wambagiriria na irathi 4 tu o fomu na riu ukinyite irathi 8 na ciana 1500 na uguo akoria thirikari itikira gukorwo ikiararamia mathukuru.
This school hasn't had any upgrading in terms of infrastructure for a long time.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro wa Mbugu ugite arahuthira laboratory ta irathi kuona irathi iria mabangite ciongererwo ciana cia hinga thukuru itirikite na akauga na ciarika muhatikano ndungithira kuona ni munene muno kuria ciana iriagira na ginyagia gwatoro.
After the KCSE, the project started, we awarded the tenders, and so we had to quicken, and whomever won the tender promised us by February you have completed our classrooms and laboratories, and we hope we will do so, although there were some people at least who wanted to delay our projects, and I hope the ministry will assist us in that one.
Wambugu riu ni oritie arutwo a tene a thukuru uyu na aria ni andu mari gatũ bururi-ini ta speaker wa bunge ya bururi JB Muturi na CS wa ugima wa mwiri Cecile Kariuki na angi aingi makorwo magiteithiriria thukuru uyu kuongerera miako niguo guteithiriria aria mari kuo na aria magoka.
Appealing to the alumni led by the Speaker of our National Assembly, Honorable Muturi, is the chairman of the alumni, to come and help us in upgrading the facilities we have, the therapy-related facilities we have, so that we are able to help the youth and also our community more.
Undu ni munyite baru ni mwarimu Kahura Shokera na uria ni murutwo wa tene thiini wa thukuru uyu.
I want to really appeal. It's a passionate appeal to the old boys of Kangaroo School, the alumni of Kangaroo School, to come back and assist the school, to come back and help the school, which is really expanding.
Geri Fotera Jata TV ni ejitagwo Wangari wa Waithaka.